guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I cannot believe I'm filming my April favorites and that March is over. March went by so fast. I went on a cruise and I was literally waiting like 6 months for this cruise. I was so excited. It came, it went, now we're back to regular life. And yeah, I just can't believe how like quick time works. It's like insane to me, all right? But anyways, I have a lot of goodies that I want to share with you guys. I have a lot of things I want to talk to you guys about. So if you guys are interested in this, if you guys are interested in this March favorites, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into this video. Okay, so I want to make this disclaimer early on in the video. So last month, I kind of like made the transition from like, I'm trying to be more healthy and more conscious in the products that I'm using, especially like on my body. So I downloaded this app called Yuka, and I know that Yuka isn't 100% like reliable, but I was scanning a bunch of my like body care products and a ton of them were like terrible. So I boycotted all of my Victoria's Secret stuff that I've been using since I was like 12 years old. I threw it all out. I was just like, you know what? It's rated 0. It has a lot of bad ingredients, so I got rid of that. I'm not making the change all around, if that makes sense. So like there are some products that are like rated like 40 or 50 and they're like not considered great, but they're not considered bad. So those products I still keep in my routine. But if a product is bad, I am not using it like at all for the most part. Pretty much what I'm trying to say is I'm trying to be more conscious with products that I put on my body. So if it's rated 0 on the Yuka app, I'm probably not going to use it or not going to purchase it. Like I said, I'm not doing it for everything. Like there's still like I'm still using powders with talc in it. So I just want to like let you guys know I'm trying to be better, but not everything I use is going to be perfect. So I just wanted to make that disclaimer because a lot of the products I'm going to be sharing with you today are products that I've recently fallen in love with because I have transitioned away from like those harmful body lotions and body sprays from Bath & Body Works, and I have transitioned into more healthier options. That's pretty much what I'm trying to say. So if you see me using a product that's still considered like bad, don't call me out because I am letting you guys know that not everything is going to be clean and perfect, but I'm trying my best is what I'm getting at, okay? So now that I'm done talking, I hate listening to myself, let's get into the products that I want to share with you guys. So up first is this body cream from Beloved. I love Beloved, and not all of their products are rated good on Yuka, but this one was the Mango and Lime Vegan Body Cream, and it smells fabulous, you guys. It smells like a tropical paradise, like in this little bottle, and it's very moisturizing, and the scent is long lasting. So if you're looking for a body cream that is going to give you like a good hydration as well as scent, this is for you. It is amazing. Okay, so sticking with body care, this is from Sephora. This is their all-day body hydrator. So it's a body cream from the Sephora collection. Surprisingly, a lot of the products from the Sephora collection are considered like great on the Yuka app. So I think this was rated like 90 or 100. So I picked it up, and it's a very, very thick hydrating body wash, a body cream. It has a very like soft, clean scent. So it's not going to give you the scent like this one, but it's going to give you more of like a clean, like very just like fresh out of the shower scent. So I like to use this at night, and then this one I like to use during the day. And then one more body cream that I have been loving. So this is one of the products that is like not rated 100 on Yuka, but it's also not rated 0. I think it's rated like 49, so it's like 50-50, right? This is from Fenty Skin, and I hate to talk about this because they do not sell it anymore. This is the Butter Drop Vanilla Dream Whipped Oil Body Cream. This is 10 out of freaking 10. I don't know why Fenty would drop something so bomb like this and then discontinue it. Like, it smells like a vanilla dream. It's very like light, but sweet and vanilla. Oh my god, I love it so much. I actually used it today when I got out of the shower. Oh my god, I just got it all over my hands. That's okay. But I seriously love this cream so much. I wish that they would bring it back. Hopefully they do, because I know a lot of people that love this body cream. It smells amazing. Again, it's very fresh, very clean. Love it. I guess we'll stick with Fenty really quick. This is brand new from them. This is their Melt Off Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. So this is brand new. I got it last month. I wasn't gonna get it, but then my friend Alexa got it, and I was like, all right, I will definitely get it. It's very nice. It's a cleanser that you can use it on its own, or you can use it to like remove your makeup and then go in with like your regular cleanser. So last night I was just feeling lazy, so I used like my micellar water to take off my makeup with a cotton round, and then I just went in once with this. I didn't double cleanse last night because I was like 11 o'clock and I was tired, so I just used this and it was fine. My skin felt clean. So this could either be used to take off your makeup makeup or to use as like an all-in-one product, depending on how much makeup you have on. So a day like today, like when I go in the shower, I will definitely use this, and then I will use my regular cleanser just to really like deep and double cleanse. But I love this so much. It's so good. It doesn't break me out, doesn't clog my pores. I'm super into it. So let's go back to body care really, really quickly. This is from Saltair. This is their nourishing body oil in the scent Santal Bloom. You guys, I love their pink beach one. Like that is one of my holy grails. But this one, the way that it smells, oh my God, it smells freaking amazing. It literally, I don't even know how to describe it, but it smells so good. So I have tried their body wash from Santal Bloom, and I tried the pink beach one. So I like the oil better than the actual like body wash. I don't know if that makes sense, but the smell in the body wash smells amazing, but then this smells exactly the same, but it has like a hint of like something stronger. I don't know how to describe it. I don't really know if I'm making sense. I'm also looking outside because it's like 60 degrees outside, which means the demons, the bees, think that they can like run shit again. So I saw something flying. I thought it was a bee, but I think it's just my imagination. So that's why I was being a little distracted. I'm so sorry. But there is some magic in this body oil. If you haven't tried the body oils from Saltair, you seriously don't know what you're missing because they are freaking fabulous. The pink beach and this one, oh my God, can I get enough of it? I get enough of it, but this one was the one that I was reaching for a lot last month because it was new and it was just, oh, I freaking love it. Then this is what I replaced all of my like Bath & Body Works, Victoria's Secret body sprays with. This is from Pacifica. This is the Island Vanilla Perfume Hair and Body Mist. So this was rated 100 out of 100 on the Yuka app, and I was like, whoa, that is intriguing. And this smells amazing, you guys. I love vanilla scented things, so if you don't like vanilla, you're not gonna like it, but they do have a ton of other, not a ton, but they have like a few other body mists that also smell amazing, and they're rated really good on the Yuka app, and they're vegan, and they're cruelty free. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check this out. It's long lasting. I saw a lot of reviews on Ulta say that it doesn't last long, but on me, it lasts a really long time. Like I still smell it throughout the day. So I don't know if it's because I layer scents. Like during the day, I will typically go in with this and then I'll spray my body with the body spray. So it has something to hold on to. So if you're not like moisturizing your skin with a body lotion and then just going in with a body spray, it's kind of like a moisturizer. Like it has like nothing to like stick to, if that makes sense. So definitely if you have these and they're not like, the scent isn't lasting, try layering it with a body cream and then spraying it and see if that makes a difference, because that makes a huge difference for me. But yeah, 10 out of 10, love this. I actually just bought like a little travel size. I got the gardenia and the coconut scents. They smell amazing. So you guys, Pacifica, check them out. I'm really vibing with this brand right now. So up next, I have fallen in love with this perfume, you guys. Like I smelled it in Sephora not too long ago and I was like, wait, this smells different. So this is Phur's Missing Person perfume. So I smelled it like a year ago, and when I smelled it, granted, it was pretty much empty. So when I smelled it, it probably wasn't like as fresh as it was obviously when it's like brand new out of the box. And I was like, oh, like it smells good. I don't really understand the hype around it. But then I smelled it recently and was like, whoa, I really like this scent. It's very like light and fresh and clean, and it has a little undertone of like musk in there, and I freaking love it, you guys. I love this perfume so much. I wore it when I went to Florida. So I went on an airplane. I went on a plane, obviously, to get to Florida. And I was like, what perfume do I want to wear? I don't want to wear one that's overwhelming. Like if somebody that's sitting next to me is like sensitive to smells. So I wore this one, and I swear to you guys, it gets better the longer that it's on your body. So the longer you're wearing this perfume, the better it's going to smell. Like, I don't know, it just has some magic in there. I'm really vibing with Phur's fragrances lately. I love them so much. And this, I know like a lot of people have like mixed reviews on it or mixed thoughts on it. I really like it. It mixes really well with my body chemistry, and I just am obsessed with it. So up next, I quickly want to talk about these brushes. I don't think I mentioned them in my last month's favorites. I'm pretty sure I didn't, but these are two Makeup by Mario brushes. This one is the F1, and this one, I use it so much that the number I think is rubbed off, but this is the double-ended foundation brush. I love his brushes. They are pricey, you guys, but they are so good. So I like to use this one, obviously, for my foundation. This one I like to use for my cream bronzer or contour. It's amazing for it. This is a very nice blush brush. It's very dense, but it also has a lot of like wiggle room with the brushes move around a lot. I love it. And then it has this end where I like to clean up any excess powder that gets like in my inner corner, or clean up any concealer that I need to clean up. I love his brushes. Like I said, they are expensive, but they are so freaking worth it. And the Sephora VIB sale is coming up, so if you weren't sure what to get, definitely check these out because they are so good. I did a TikTok on this, and I'm pretty sure I uploaded it to my YouTube shorts, but this has been one of my go-to lip combos. I literally love it. This is the Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Gifted, and this is the Lawless lipstick in the shade Platinum. I love the combination of these two, you guys. I cannot get enough of it. This gives you that perfect like ombre lip, and it really gives you that like plumping, pouty type of lip without you having to like overline or wear like a lip plumper. I love the combination of these two, and I have literally wore it all last month because I'm just obsessed with it. Speaking of lip combos, I have been loving the Make Beauty, what are these called? These serum lip balms. They are so frigging bomb. So I have two right here. I have Magnetic Mob, and then I have Nude Nova. Nude Nova is what I'm wearing right now over my current lip combo. I am obsessed with these, you guys. They are so lightweight and hydrating, and they give you such a beautiful glossy effect. I have been obsessing over them. I keep them in my bag at all times. And I went to Florida, I literally had them in my carry-on because I was like, I need to have my lips moisturized at all times, and they give you, my lips have never felt softer is what I'm trying to say. Whenever I wear these, my lips feel so soft and they look so beautiful. If you haven't checked out Make Beauty, you really don't know what you're missing, because every time I get something from them, I'm like, wow, like it's so good. They're one of those brands that just hit it pretty much every single time, and these are nonetheless. I love them so much. Like I said, I keep them in my bag at all times. I got my hair cut last month, you guys, and I cannot stand the way my bangs are. I don't know what is up with them, but they're doing like this weird flip thing. Like usually they like swoop, but they're like flipping outward. They look like I have like antlers, and they're really bugging me out. So I've just having a moment with my hair. But anyways, the last product I want to talk to you guys about is the brand new Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet Foundation. So I love this. I did try it as a regular powder foundation, and it's good, but personally I don't wear powder foundation. Like I just am more of a regular foundation girl. Like that's just what I'm gonna do. This I love for touch up and for underneath my eyes. So if I need a little extra coverage underneath my eyes, I will take this end of the Makeup by Mario brush and just pack it right here, and it adds just the right amount of brightness. And if my makeup has been on for a while and I need to touch up, I will take this and I will just dab it right over here to kind of like blur everything. It is so good, you guys. I love that they designed a powder that can be used in so many different ways. I am obsessed with it, and I don't remember being this obsessed with the original one. So I have the original one and I remember liking it, but this I cannot stop using. I reach for it every single day. I love it so much. If you haven't tried it, it's definitely a must-have. It's something that you can throw in your purse and you can travel with. I love it. It's so versatile. All right, you guys, so that completes my March favorites. I'm sorry if it was like all over the place. I'm trying to get like back into the swing of things with filming for YouTube, filming for TikTok. Like I feel like when you go on vacation, you need a vacation from the vacation. Like it's just, you know, like you just get all in vacation mode, then you got to get back into work mode. So it's a lot. But anyways, that is everything I have for you guys in today's video. I genuinely love all of these products, and I'm looking at them right now, and pretty much I use them every single day. They're just like in my daily rotation. I love all of them. Let me know down below if you have ever tried any of these products and what you guys think. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I'll hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye.